is prepared differently in the neighboring states popular as Punjabi curry or Gujarati curry. Today, I am going to show you how to make Rajasthani Pakodi ki curry. It is a blend of yogurt, besan pakoras with an assortment of spices. Let's begin by making the pakoda batter. Let's take some chickpeas flour or besan. Next goes in some salt, baking powder, carom seeds or ajwain, turmeric powder and chilli powder. With the help of water, let's make a smooth pakoda batter. Mix it properly so that there are no lumps and the batter becomes light. Let's add some fresh coriander leaves. Mix it. So you can see we want this consistency of the batter. I kept it stirring for around 5 to 6 minutes. Hence the batter has become smooth. I'm going to add some vegetable oil for frying. Now let's make our pakoras. Fry until the pakoras are lightly golden brown. We don't want crispy pakoras. Instead, they should be a bit on softer side. The pakoras look perfect. Let's drain it and take out on a paper towel. So our pakoras are fried. I'll keep this aside. We will need 1 cup of yogurt. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So you can see our buttermilk or chach is ready. Now I'm going to add some chickpeas flour or besan. Using a hand blender, let's blend this mixture so that there are no lumps. Now using a strainer, I'm going to strain the buttermilk mixture so that there are no more lumps. So we have got a smooth buttermilk mixture. Let's make the curry. Usually for the curry tempering, we use panchforan. Panchforan is a blend of 5 spices. If you don't have it at home, you can make it easy. I have few whole spices, fenugreek seeds, ajwain or carom seed, mustard seed, fennel or saunf, and cumin seed. Let's mix all together and our panchforan is ready. Into a large pan, let's add ghee or clarified butter. The ghee is hot. I'm going to add the prepared spice mix. Stir it. The seeds have started to crackle. Now add in some asafoetida or ghee, whole red chillies. Add in cinnamon sticks and cloves. Some curry leaves. Roast it for a few seconds. Next, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, stir it. Now I'm going to pour in our curd mixture. Keep stirring continuously and cook until the curry comes to a boil. Maybe it takes for 7 to 8 minutes. I'm going to soak the pakoras in hot water for 4 to 5 minutes. This step is very important as it removes the excess oil from the pakoras and makes it much more softer. Squeeze it lightly with hands and keep it on a plate. I'm going to do the same with rest of the pakoras. So you can see the excess oil has drained out. So you can see the curry has thickened. Let's add the pakoras. Salt to taste. Grated ginger. Stir it. Simmer the curry at low flame for 4 to 5 minutes and a delicious curry will be ready. Let's sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves. Stir it and switch off the stove. Kadhi is made from yogurt, it has a cooling effect. Adding pakoras to this dish makes it more filling and delicious. Dal Dhokli or Dal Kofta is a very famous dish from Gujarat and Rajasthan. It has soft textured dhoklis submerged in sweet and spicy thick dal with crunchy peanuts. Let's start with the recipe. I have taken some tuvar dal. I have soaked it for 1 hour. Now I have washed it and drained it. Let's put the tuvar dal into a pressure cooker. Let's add salt and turmeric powder and pour in some water. Give it a stir. I'll cover it with a lid. We will pressure cook the dal for 3 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dough for the dhoklis. I'm going to take whole wheat flour or atta into a large bowl. Besan or chickpeas flour, salt, carom seeds or ajwain, turmeric powder and chilli powder. Mix it together. With the help of water, I'm going to make a smooth dough. I'll allow the dough to rest for 10 minutes. The dough has rested for 10 minutes. Now let's make the dhoklis. Let's drizzle some oil and knead the dough. I'm going to make small balls out of it, just the size of a grapes. Let's dust some dry flour. Now I'm going to roll it into a small circle. Similarly, I'm going to roll rest of the circles. Now let's make the koftas. Just hold it from the 3 sides and bring them together and press it. So here is our kofta. So similarly, I'm going to prepare rest of the koftas. So all our koftas are ready. Now let's check our dal in the pressure cooker. Using a hand blender, I'm going to blend it. Let's put the koftas. Give it a stir so that the koftas are immersed in the dal. I'm going to close the lid and pressure cook for 1 more whistle. Please find the exact measurement and the direction to make in the description box below. Let's prepare a spicy tadka for the dal. Into a pan, let's add some ghee or clarified butter. Now I'm going to add the tempering, cumin seed and mustard seed. The seeds have started to crackle. Now let's add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Finely chopped onions. Stir it. I'll cook until the onions are soft and translucent. Now add in some curry leaves, chopped tomatoes, grated ginger and garlic. We will cover it with the lid and cook until the tomatoes are soft, maybe for 4 to 5 minutes. Mix it. Now I'm going to add some spices, coriander and cumin powder, turmeric and chili powder, garam masala. Stir it and roast for 1 minute. So our tadka is ready. Now let's add our dal dhokli. Stir it. You can adjust the consistency as per your choice. I'm going to pour in some water. Mix it and simmer it at low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Let's sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves. Squeeze in some lime juice. Stir it and switch off the stove. Let's plate it. So our hot and delicious dal dhokli is ready. Apart from being easy to prepare, healthy and stomach filling, this dal dhokli is a complete meal on its own. Besan is high in protein, gluten-free and is a very healthy ingredient used in Indian kitchen. And most of the Rajasthani recipes use besan. You might be wondering, what is gatte? Gatte is actually gram flour dumplings boiled and then added to tomato gravy to make a delicious curry. Take besan or gram flour, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, Ajwain, baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients. Next add oil, curd, combine well. Then add water and make a soft dough. Add very little water or add water with a spoon to make this dough. If you add more water, the dough will become sticky, and if it becomes sticky, then don't worry, add some more besan and knead it. Add some more oil and smoothen the dough. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Apply some oil so that the dough doesn't stick. Make small equal portions and then roll each into a long cylinder shape. Like this. All my gattes are ready to cook. Put them in boiling water. They have started to float. Boil this for 20 to 25 minutes on high flame. They look cooked. Then switch off the flame and drain the gattes. Reserve this water. It will be used in the gravy. Now cut the cylinders into half-inch pieces. Rajasthani recipes doesn't need much ingredient, but they taste super yummy. All our gattes are chopped. Now let's make the curry. Add oil, cumin or jeera, kalonji, bay leaf, red chillis. Reduce the flame to low and add ghee, coriander powder, turmeric, saunf powder. Stir and roast the masala for 30 seconds. Then add blended tomato, grated ginger, mix well. I learned this recipe from my mother-in-law and I promise that no one can beat her in making this gatte easy. Cover and cook for 6 to 7 minutes at medium heat. The tomato is well cooked. Next add red chili powder, salt to taste. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Next add beaten curd. After adding curd, you need to stir continuously. Add curd in batches and keep on stirring. Next add the chopped gattes. This curry thickens as it cools, so add water and adjust the consistency as per your liking. Add the water which we used for boiling gatte. Stir it. Cover and simmer for another 10 minutes at medium heat. can see the curry has thickened. Add little garam masala, some kasuri methi, mix it. Lastly, fresh coriander leaves, stir it, switch off the flame and our curry is ready to eat. Gatte sabji can be served with hot roti, dal chawal and tastes best with dal bati. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and please click the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. It's absolutely free. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.